Hey, it's Trev from Monthly Missions here. This is part two to me exploring this area. I just accidentally hit the stop button. So I'm still on my way from the hot tub to my Airbnb rental, and I just wanted to show off some of these houses. All right. We're in Kelowna, British Columbia. Yeah, so these are all lakefront properties. Just beautiful properties, just beautiful. Probably all within 5 years old. So we discovered a lot of interesting information about this place, or evidence, a lot of interesting evidence, like this empty lot here, for example. This used to be a campground. We're positive it used to be a campground along the lake here. There's sewage, electrical, whatever, all hooked up to these empty lots to make them serviceable for trailers, for just summertime trailers. So it looks like they did that for years. And then they're talked into selling the lots. So obviously they made millions and millions of dollars selling these lots. So now the houses are all skinny and upwards because the lots are little. You're paying a lot of money for that soil. That empty lot there. Hopefully you can see it's black on my camera, but hopefully the night vision is kicking in. Otherwise, this is useless footage. But yeah, you're paying a lot of money for the soil. You're building upwards. And yeah, somebody turned a campground into like multi-million-dollar estates. It's all locked in, gated community here. So everybody buys these little lots, keeps the height restrictions somewhat. And then, yeah, this is what's been done here. It's all very quiet, very pristine, very respectable, very high end. So this is getting very close to my Airbnb. But yeah, look at this. There's even a food truck in here. Good. Back it up a little bit. We'll back it up. You can't even see it. Good, look forward. Yeah, this looks like some sort of like, I don't know, Hawaiian food truck. This place here is for sale. Looks like maybe 1,500 square feet. And look at this oriental one. Look at that. That's beautiful. And they have it completely roped off. See that? You see the rope? What's that stopping anybody from doing? That's a little bit bizarre for a pink house. They're all skinny, tall cottages, but luxury cottages. That place. So skinny. One car wide. Isn't that funny? That's how wide the building is. This is wide as that garage. Goes up. But here's the empty lot for sale. You can zoom on that if you're interested. That's the lake right over there. I'm still trying to make my way home. Make my way to Airbnb. Oh, it's about -10 out. -10 Celsius. Maybe a little bit warmer. Maybe -8. Holy crap. I thought I'd be back by now. My fingers are frozen. But yeah, all multi-million-dollar properties here, for sure. Really close gated community, really quiet, really super quiet. or is this the place with the lid up top? Mine anyway. I think just visiting for a day or two if they're gone in the morning. But boy, oh boy, it's fantastic to have them over. It's our place. They're here. It's our place. we haven't really lit up. Jay's out working on the smoker. Woo! Okay, I saw them. Yeah, I saw them. I'm here.